After the raw material is sucked up by automatic hopper, it is heated and melted by the screws heating ring. This is 3 screws, which can be used as a 5-layer or 3-layer stretch film. This is a hydraulic screen changer, which is more convenient than a manual screen changer. The melted material is filtered by a hydraulic screen changer and extruded by a T-die. When the film is first released, we all need to make some adjustments to make the subsequent film smoother and flatter. After adjustment, pour the film into the cooling roller for cooling and forming. Then continue to pour the film to the traction roller and rewinding roller. Let the film rewinding on the rewinding rule. After that, place the static edge blocker so that the stretched film fits the cooling shaft more closely and does not run off. Next is the operation of trimming and recycling. Place the cutter. Adjust the position of the cutter. After pulling out the edge material, pull the edge material to the edge material recovery machine. For recycling, continue to collect other edge material together. Next is the roll change process of paper core loading and unloading system. Thanks for watching. More details can link our website or contact my email.